Hey, how you doing everybody? This is John, and today's video is we're going to be unboxing the solar address plaque. So let's take a couple steps back. You have this address plaque or number that you have on the front of your house. I had one of those. I just got rid of it because the sign with the stickers, it just kept coming off. So I wanted to find a more permanent, better solution. So I saw that one of my neighbors, he had one of these, and actually I thought it was pretty good. So sort of a solar powered light, and then at nighttime it lights up. So I was like, I started looking for it, and I found the right one at Home Depot. So the one thing that I was really impressed, so I saw the one that I really wanted, I bought it. I purchased it actually today at Home Depot online, and they actually sent it to me same day. I was like, wow, that was pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. First, they're going to send it to you, and it's in this big plastic deal. So you're going to need either a knife or a box cutter. So this is it. It's just this pretty big, massive, huge package. Okay. And you're not going to be able to remove it with your fingers. You're definitely going to need a knife or a box cutter to cut it. So in the back, they give you this manual on um, how to set it up and what's included. You are going to need a drill bit, okay, for it. So you have they're going to give you the actual um, they're going to give you the actual equipment. So let's go ahead and take a look at first of all what they give you. So you're going to get the actual big unit itself, okay, which is pretty much basically a solar powered light, okay. And on the back you're going to have the white switch, okay. The battery does come included, but we'll talk about that later. All right. They're going to give you the numbers that are going to be included. It's going to be a whole bunch of numbers. They're going to give you letters, and they're going to give you numbers, and you're going to have an extra left over. So I suggest that you keep them in a drawer or keep them in the side. Now, in order to space the numbers out or the letters out, they're going to give you these templates. Okay, so as you can see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 template. And what you do is I'm going to show you what you do in one moment, and then they give you the three, and then they give you one for 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the light one more time. And so you take that, and then you take the template and you put it right over here like that. Okay, that way when you take the stickers, you can evenly place them, so it doesn't look like you've been doing it, willy-nilly. All right, so that's it right over there. So they give you the different templates, and in another video I'll be able to show you what the template does. Okay, it's pretty much basically common sense. All right, and also what they give you is they give you a package of two screws right over there, and two plastics, so that when you drill the hole, you mount these plastic things into the cement, and then once you screw them in, so it'll be more of a permanent solution. Okay. They don't give you the box cutter or the knife, so you are going to have to provide that yourself. So and again, I'm going to tell you, the package that it does come in, it is very extremely hard to open up with your fingers. You're not going to be able to do it. Okay. You are going to need a drill and a drill bit, and I do suggest that you get a 15/64-inch drill bit. Okay, that way you know ahead. Now let's talk about the battery. Okay, situation. The battery is included. I know the battery is already in there. Okay, so but if you take a look at the back, there's no compartment for the battery. I removed the sticker. There's nothing underneath there. So what I'm suspecting is that when the battery dies down, and eventually I'm pretty sure that it will die, because these things don't last forever. Okay, I would say about a year. So what I'm suspecting is that the battery is underneath here. So what I'm thinking is you have to remove all these screws that are in here. Okay, right over here, in order to replace the battery. Okay, now I purchased this thing for 24. and some odd change, plus $2 and some odd change for shipping, and I got it the same day. So I'm not really looking forward to, unscrewing this thing and then for something bad to happen. Okay, because the battery compartment is not on the side, it's not on either side, and obviously it's not on the top. So that's where I'm assuming the battery compartment is underneath the base plate. So if I do need to replace the battery, and for some reason I undo the plate and it doesn't turn out that the battery plate it doesn't work, well then I can just reorder a new one. But it does take a battery. Okay, it takes a large capacity battery, which according to your manual, okay, a 1.2 volt nickel battery right over there, as you can tell. So also, this is the switch right over here. I'm highly suggesting that when you do get your thing set up, you plug it to right over there. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, basically, after you plug it up, it does light up. Okay, all right. So it does work. And I also suggest that you give that a shot before you install it on the wall, on the side, or wherever you put this, before you put it up, to make sure it works. Okay, before you go through all of this, the effort of setting up the sticker. So it looks like it's a pretty good purchase. It's well worth the price. I've seen a couple online, something similar. I saw one that was like $100 and some odd. I'm not really looking to purchase that one for that much money. I'm pretty sure that this will still do the job. So this was definitely a pretty good purchase. I'm glad I found it. I wasn't really willing to, I wanted to find a solution of having to buy stickers, and then those stickers are, gonna melt out in the heat. So I'm gonna give this thing a try. The one that I saw on my neighbor, it looks really cool. It lights up at night, and it looks pretty neat. So hey, thanks a lot for checking out this quick video. I really appreciate it. Be sure to check out my YouTube channel and playlist for the Everbilt solar address plaque on my YouTube channel, and see the manual. So just in case that you need to get a quick manual, in case that you take it and, I'm just going to throw it away like some people do, that way you have, hey, as a reference point. Come back and say, hey, what drill bit do I need? Well, it comes back, okay, 1564 inch. All right. You guys have a great day. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later. Bye.